Test 1 2, test 1 2. Okay, folks, this is going to be a quick video showing you how to log into tinkercad.com. There's many different ways to do this, so I'll try to just show you one way, and keep in mind that this isn't the only way to log in. So first we're going to go to Microsoft Teams. And you're going to find your class. So I'm going to start with this class right here. And I've posted some instructions for you to read over. Again, I don't want to get too detailed into this video, but please read it. There's a bunch of information. To access that full information, like I've written here all over the place, you have to click See More. Read it. To access your class, all you have to do is click this link and then enter your personal code. So there's a class code, which you can access through this link, and then your personal login code, which is your first name all in lowercase. So if I click here, it's going to take us to our class in tinkercad.com. I'm going to click join in with login code. And I hope you don't mind, Adam, but I'm going to be you for 1 second here. Adam, go to my class. Okay, we're in Tinkercad. Now, there's a bunch of cool things we can do, ranging from 3D design, circuits, coding. Resist the temptation right now to start exploring. You'll have time once you're done everything to mess around and explore however you want. But for now, stay focused. In this left-hand column, you're going to click on Classes, and you'll see your class. View Class. Now, this is an activity that you're going to click, and there's several tutorials. So this is the first tutorial I want you to do. There's 5 parts to it, knowing that later on, and I'll even make a separate video, you're going to, in day 1, complete this keychain with your own name and 3D print it, just as a basic starting point. So start here. Start tutorial. Again, I really do want you to resist the temptation to just start messing around with all these cool new tools. The fastest way to understand how to use all of this is to do these tutorials. So there'll be a description right here. Read it. Click Next Step. Read it, and we'll guide you through a number of different processes and tools, the location, what you can do. Trust me when I say read it, go slow. It'll be worth all the effort you put into it. So that's kind of it. Good luck. Have fun.